Okay, here's our number 8, number 10 compressor fittings. And as you can see, they are thick enough that they hit each other here. But when you compare the size, they do match up with 3D printed plugs I made. And they do go in and make a nice seal in here. Yeah, hear that? So they do work for sealing, but I guess to use these, I'm going to need to do a little sanding on probably both of them in order to make that fit down next to each other. But this should work. I can make it work. Well, I take back what I said. They're not as good as I thought. If you can see my plug, which is modeled after the line that I had, the pilot, sometimes they call that, the nipple that sticks down, is not as long as on this aluminum one. And it's the same thing on the suction side. You can see it doesn't go quite all the way down. It does make a nice O-ring seal because it bottoms out into the compressor before going all the way down. So I could probably sand that down to get it to fit up tighter on both of these, although that's a fair bit of material I need to remove, and it gets close to where the O-ring groove is. And I'd still have to sand away the side of this so that these two can both fit down there. So I can probably make that work. And then I realized one other thing. The hole lines up fine on the smaller one, but the bigger one on the suction side, the hole is offset enough that I can't get my bolt screwed in. So I'd need to oblong this hole a little bit so I could get my bolt in. So there's a couple of things that keep me from just using these exactly as it is. So I could return them and pay 30% restocking fee, or start hacking them up and know that they're mine forever, or try something else and buy something else. Darn.